Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. These are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. You can watch the pick a card love reading, guys, that will follow this general energy, so that may clear the questions you have about your situation, guys. So let's see what are the cards here for your general energies. First we have Moon, Three of Stars in reverse and Knight of Suns in reverse. So Cancers, you are someone having a lot of dreams, fantasies and goals for your life. Maybe you are thinking about your future, planning your future in your career or planning your future in this relationship. And maybe you are unable to understand what this person is thinking or what they are feeling today. You are in love with someone and maybe you are in a connection with this person. You may have a level of understanding with them, but still it is not deep. You still don't know what is in their heart. So maybe for some of you, I see you are in a new connection with this person and that level of understanding may not be there today, guys. And maybe you want to know everything about this person and you love them. You want to have a meaningful connection with this person and you are moving towards that. But this person is not showing you any interest the way you are. They are not reciprocating that, guys. And the reasons maybe they still have a long way to go. They still need more time to understand you and they are not sure about your feelings for them or they are not sure about their feelings for you, guys. So they want some more time maybe. Or maybe for some of you, this person really is not someone who wants a deep commitment. They just want to be with someone just to have fun, just to speak and relate, but not a meaningful. Maybe they have some fears. So they are afraid of commitment, maybe for some of you guys. So that is the reason they are not showing their interest in this love, in this connection. And there may be some unexpected changes happening in your situation, guys. Maybe it may be due to this person's behavior or it may be some external things in your situation, guys. So in your work or in this relationship, there are some things happening. So it may change the way things are. Maybe this person may understand you and the fear they have for commitment may disappear, guys, and they will understand your love maybe. And maybe this connection may take a turn towards a meaningful connection, guys, Cancers. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It is Astronomer or Spheres in reverse. So in this relationship, guys, maybe there is someone really close to this person or someone in your close circle, someone older than you, and this person does not have a good intention about this person you love. So they do not like this person and they are trying to separate you both, guys. This may be someone in your circle or this person's circle. Maybe they have someone trying to separate you both or you have someone trying to separate you both, and this person does not like you, this love or this person. So They have something against your person, guys. That is the reason for their behavior. Maybe they are scared for you, they are scared for your future. Maybe, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It's Emperor. So with this card, it just means that in your career situation, you have confidence, strength, and you are someone who is really determined and you're working hard. So that may be the reason things will go in a very positive way in your work situation, guys, Cancers. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for that pick a card love reading, guys. That is coming up right now, Cancers. For your love reading, guys, today we have 2 cards and 2 crystals. So you can either choose the cards or the crystals, guys. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. So you can think about your situation or the questions you have in your mind. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card so that way the reading may resonate. So let's close our eyes and meditate, and I will start the reading after a few seconds, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card for y'all. For those who chose this card, we have Spirit Quartz. So with this card, guys, it just means that you need to reach out and connect with the people around you and discover the true power of gifts by sharing with the people you love, and willingness to put everyone's welfare ahead of our own small self for now, guys. So with this card, it just means that by the way you are connecting with the person in this romantic love, you are showing the universe that you are deeply moved by this love and you are ready for a healthy romantic partnership today. And there are different ways love is approaching you today, guys. And with this abundance of love, you are moving towards the power to heal yourself and you are changing your vibration. So with love in your heart, you are changing positively and your vibration is very positive today. And when we have positivity in our life, guys, it is going to attract more positive things for us. So that is the energy with this card. So when we are open to love, maybe for some of you, you are getting someone interesting, someone is coming towards you to propose to you, they are interested in you, and it is time you give up the expectations. Maybe you have certain dreams about someone and you are expecting people to match those dreams, but what is reaching you may be something not up to your dreams, but it may be something even much more better for you guys, this person. So that is the energy with this card. So you just have to give up the expectation you have today, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this crystal and the second card, Forgiveness. So with this card, guys, the energy is that today we are moving towards that healing energy. So maybe in our situation we would have done something we regret, we would have hurt someone maybe, or we are holding grudges or want to take revenge on someone. But this cycle of anger, resentment is not going to take us anywhere, guys. It is simply going to trap us, and by forgiving others, forgiving the person who has wronged us, we are just benefiting ourselves. So it allows us to heal and releases us from the cycle of blame. So forgiving does not mean that you need to forget what has been done. It just means that it allows both parties to move on positively with their lives. And forgiveness does not depend on you and the other person forgiving simultaneously, guys. So the sooner you forgive, it is good for you, and the sooner you accept forgiveness from that other person, it is going to be good for you, and you are going to heal much more faster, and you are going to see a change, a positive change in your situation, and you will simply heal from the painful memories that you had, and those memories are just going to vanish once you forgive this person, and you will be able to move on positively, have a brighter future, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.